In a beautifully compact Japanese-style tiny home, innovative design elements turn limited space into a multifunctional living masterpiece. One of the standout features is a horizontally shifting loft bed, allowing flexibility in how the upper space is used, whether for rest, storage, or opening up the void for more spacious feel. Accompanying this is a set of folding wall stairs, which can be neatly stowed away when not in use, instantly freeing up floor space for circulation or communal activities. Another clever element is the folding bed integrated into the wall cabinet, enabling one space to serve multiple purposes, transforming effortlessly from a bedroom to a living room, work area. These innovations are not only functional but also cost-effective, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to build a Japanese-style tiny home with efficiency, flexibility, and elegance in mind. This design proves that small space, when thoughtfully arranged, can offer big possibilities.